Hi Andres, what are you listening to? Hi Christian, I am listening to rock music. Do you like rock music? I don't like their tones very much. They are very strong. If I like it, I would like to be a rock singer or play the electric guitar. If you like it, I can know will you will make it. Thank you. Hi Carlos, why are you sad? Hello, my cat is sick. Really? And that he has. The doctor says he has the tumor on his leg. What a shame, friend. But have find that everything will, will be fine. Thank you, friend. Friend, you can count on me for whatever. Feel free to tell me. Thank you very much.